All right, today, guys, I'm going to be taking you through an accessory for the Chevrolet Sonic. You see, you have these cubbies on either side of the dash, and if you did not have the collision detection and lane change avoidance option, you'd have another small cubby here. You could store things. And then down below the climate control, there's one here. And then underneath this device storage bay, there's one here and there. And there's actually an option from Chevrolet, which is part 959-03366, which provides you some rubber insulators that you can use to install in these cubbies, so that rather than having something like your glasses or something that's easily scratched hitting this hard plastic, they would be riding up against these small rubber pieces. Now what you're going to want to do is clean inside of these. I'm not going to show that, of course, but you're going to clean this out before you drop these in. And it's real simple, right? This one goes in here, just sits right in there. If you happen to not have the option this vehicle has, there's one that would sit right up here. And they're all individually part numbered, right? So the one just for the top, you can buy them individually, 959-03368. This is the one that would normally sit in the cubby that's up here, I believe. Or hold on a second, I'm sorry. This is the one that sits in the cubby that's up there. This one looks a little smaller and is probably more for the one that's down below here. So let's go ahead and install that. Sorry about that. This guy sits down here, and you can see these are soft rubber, and they've got a non-slip texture on the top for your stuff, and then they've got a non-slip texture on the bottom. All right, so this is the guy that sits right in that one. And then inside here is also two more for either side for the left. And you notice they're keyed left and right. All right, so again, nice soft rubber, non-slip texture. One goes on this side. Just got to figure out how they go. I think this is the correct side. We had it right in the first place. We just didn't get it in there all the way. Kind of sits in there nice and snug. And now you can put stuff in here if we kind of zoom up in here, and it's going to be nice and soft and it won't get scratched. Now it's no big deal to installing this, right? They'll give you like a little sheet that talks about where each of them go, just visually, just like we did, right? So one on the bottom, one inside here. It's not really quite shaped that way as we saw, but it goes right in there. Two on either side and then one on the top. And yep, we did. I'm just taking a look at the picture here to make sure that we did get the orientation right. I'm pretty sure we did. Looks correct to me. Anyway, that's a pretty nice, handy feature, and I just thought I'd make people aware of it by sharing a little quick video. Hope this helps you out. I hope it adds some extra value and utility to your Sonic. If you got questions about it, go ahead and leave them below. Otherwise, as always, thanks for watching.